Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Fun Activities with Shaurya. This is Shaurya. Today I'm going to do learning with you guys. I'm going to teach you a poem in English. Let's start. Okay, so this is the poem that I'm going to tell you. It's in English, The Dark. Why are we so afraid of the dark? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark, or chase old ladies around the park, or steal your sweeties for a lark. And though it might not let you see, it lets you have some privacy and gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide a week. It cannot help but be around when beastly things make beastly sounds, when back doors slam and windows creak, when cats have fights and voices shriek. The dark is cozy and still and calm, and never does you any harm. In the loft below the sink, it's somewhere nice and quiet to think. Deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark is afraid of light. Okay guys, now I'm going to explain the things that are in the poem. So the first line says, why are we so afraid of the dark? So the answer is somewhere in the poem. You have to answer in the comments. Now I'm going to explain the other parts. It doesn't bite and doesn't bark means that the dark doesn't even bite like a dog or bark like a dog. And though it might not let you see means the dark does not let you see in the dark. And gives you time to go to sleep, provides a place to hide or weep means it gives you time to sleep and some privacy and a place to hide or weep means hide and cry. The dark is cozy, still and calm, and never does you any harm means the dark does not does anything to you. It's always calm and cozy and still, and it doesn't do you any harm. Deep in cupboards, pockets too, it's always lurking out of view means in deep cupboards, pockets. Have you ever seen darkness in it? Yes, you must have, but when you open those things, there is light inside. Why won't it come out till it's night? Perhaps the dark is afraid of light means when we open cupboards and pockets, there's always light till it's night. So the poet is trying to say that if you want to see darkness inside your pocket and cupboards, you have to wait till night. So that means the dark is scared of light. Okay guys, so now I'm going to tell you the whole meaning of this poem. The poet is trying to say we should never be scared of the dark because the dark does nothing to us. Okay, now this is an exercise that I want you to do in the comments box. Look at this picture. What does a night like this make you feel? What do you associate with a dark and dreary night? Okay guys, so this is the picture that you need to describe and answer in the comment box. Please subscribe, like, and also comment in the comment box.